In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Then click on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to switch it on or off. You can also go into Tab menu and tap on those three dots located on the right of Brightness slider. Then tap on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness and save your changes by hitting Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!